Hello everyone, welcome to Gnan Cloud Garage. I have some exciting news to share with all of you today. I have been selected for the prestigious VMware Tanzu Vanguard program recently, and this program specially and also an incredible opportunity for me to connect with VMware Tanzu professional out there, and also we can deep dive into the world of Tanzu and also networking with all the so many technical professionals and experts. And I would like to take a moment to thank you, Cami, Brian, and the entire VMware Tanzu Vanguard community for this warm welcome. As part of this Tanzu Vanguard community program, I have received a welcome kit and with so many amazing goodies. So I have some JBL speaker, Tanzu Vanguard badge, a water bottle, and also some t-shirt and brooches inside. So once again, thank you to the entire Tanzu community and VMware folks and VMware experts. And I would like to take a moment to say thanks to all my Gnan Cloud Garage subscribers as well. For your support means a lot to me. And if you're watching this video first time, please do view, like, share and subscribe to the Gnan Cloud Garage channel. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate all your support. Bye for now.